In this video, I'm going to walk you through the skills module in Bud MCP Foundry. Agentic AI has come a long way. Today's AI agents can reason, use tools, and automate complex workflows. But their effectiveness still depends on one thing: knowing how to approach a task. That's where skills come in. A skill is more than just a prompt. It's a reusable set of instructions that teaches an AI agent how to think through and execute a specific task. You might already be creating and using skills with your LLMs or AI agents to make them more capable, reliable, and consistent. But there's a problem. The moment you switch models, change vendors, or introduce a second AI assistant, all of that work often has to be rebuilt from scratch. Your knowledge becomes fragmented, locked into individual tools and platforms. This is exactly what Skills Hub in Bud MCP Foundry is designed to solve. Build a skill once, govern it centrally, and make it available wherever your agents need it, regardless of the models, frameworks, or vendors behind them. Let's take a look at how it works. Log into your MCP Foundry dashboard and navigate to the Skills Hub tab. This module allows you to author agent skills and expose them to MCP clients. By doing so, the same set of skills can be reused across your own agents, as well as third-party AI models and agents. Instead of rebuilding capabilities for every model or platform, you can define them once and make them available wherever they're needed. A useful way to think about skill is as a recipe rather than an ingredient. It's the difference between giving an agent access to a spreadsheet and giving it the entire process for closing out a monthly report, including the data pulls, the formatting rules, and the checks, all wrapped into a single unit it can call on demand. To create a new skill, start by giving it a name and description. You can also optionally provide licensing and compatibility information if the skill is intended to be shared across teams or environments. The next step is to add the tools you want to connect to this skill. In a previous video, we saw how to automatically convert the applications used across your organization into agent-accessible MCP tools using the Tools Generator. Those tools can be attached directly to a skill. For example, imagine you're building a customer support skill. You could connect it to your CRM, ticketing system, and internal knowledge base, allowing the agent to retrieve customer information, look up documentation, and resolve support requests, all while following a predefined set of instructions. You can also choose which MCP gateways should expose the skill, making it accessible only through the gateways you've opted into. Next, you define the visibility settings and provide the markdown instructions that the agent reads when the skill is activated. This is the heart of the skill. These instructions define how the agent should approach a task, what tools it should use, the constraints it should follow, and the format of its responses. Think of it as teaching the agent how an expert in your organization would perform that particular job. The more clearly you define the instructions, the more consistent and reliable the agent's behavior becomes, regardless of the underlying model. Once you're done, click on Create Skill. All the skills you've created are listed here. From this tab, you can preview a skill, download its markdown file, or make changes whenever required. The skills you've created are immediately accessible through the MCP gateways you've selected during creation. You can update or change these gateway configurations at any time using the Edit Skill option. So that's a quick overview of the skills module in Bud MCP Foundry. By building skills once and making them portable across models, agents, and platforms, you can create reusable capabilities that scale across your entire AI ecosystem. If you'd like to see Bud MCP Foundry in action, reach out to us for a personalized demo.